I know your time is precious, and the last thing you need is another tech hurdle to slow you down. But what if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could make your instructional videos easily accessible to students, substitutes, and even parents without the hassle of logins, email restrictions, or endless tech questions? This presentation, No Logins Needed, Sharing Classroom Videos with Ease, can be accessed at the bit.ly code on the screen. Please remember that bit.ly links are case sensitive. My name is Meredith Grotti. I'm the music teacher at Darty Elementary, and I'm also the campus I3. So today I'm going to show you a simple way to create public links for your videos, making your teaching more efficient and life a little easier. Let's get started. A public link is a link for a video in your studio library that can be viewed by anyone. The viewer does not need to be logged into Canvas or part of the Garland ISD email group. There are different reasons why you might want to use publicly generated links. If you have a Bitmoji classroom slide, the links on that slide, if they're for videos, having them within your studio library is a really good way to keep them safe. Sharing videos with a substitute teacher, sharing a video with a colleague or a professor, someone outside of Garland ISD, sharing a video with students, and sharing a video with parents. So Bitmoji classrooms. Right here, I have my first grade Bitmoji classroom, and you can see that I have a link highlighted here. Now, by linking any video through Canvas Studio, you eliminate the ads and you control what the students have access to. So what if you have a YouTube video of nursery rhymes? Import that YouTube video into Studio Library, create a public link, and then you can link it to your Bitmoji classroom. It will only show that video. They will not be able to get into YouTube from it, and there won't be any ads. It's a really great way of controlling what they can see. Substitute plans. I teach music, and music is a little bit like a foreign language. So for my subs, leaving them a piece of music and telling them I want them to work on XYZ with it, a little bit hard. So right here, I've linked 3 grade levels worth of subplans. You can click on this and see how I left videos for each of these things. And the teacher could open up the videos and then just work across the tabs. Sharing outside of Garland ISD. So if you want to work on a graduate degree or apply to a graduate program, you're taking courses, sometimes you need to show videos of your teaching. And sometimes those video files are way too large to share easily. But a public link is very easy to share. Also, sometimes when you get a grant, you might want to share it to social media. So there's different ways, different reasons that you can share using that public link. Instruction videos. If you have instructions that you're going to have to repeat and repeat and repeat, like say that you have a lab and you are going to be saying these instructions, record it, have it there, have it linked to their lab assignment. Work smarter, not harder, right? How about sharing with parents? So special activities coming up, or you need field trip forms, or you need parents to sign up for conferences, you can use the announcement section of Canvas. But how about you have a video announcement and you share that video announcement through Class Dojo or Remind, whatever your families use. So these are a few ways that you can use these public links. So how do you do this? You're going to go into your studio library and you're going to choose the video you want. And then the 3 dots, that options menu, you're going to click on that and click Share Media. Once you've clicked Share Media, you're going to see a window pop up that is going to give you an option between people and links. So you could share it with people, but you're going to click on links and then you're going to click Create Public Link. After you click on Create Public Link, you're going to see the link right here. If you have the slide deck, if you click on this, you'll be able to see the video that I created the public link for, which was Sleigh Ride. You're going to copy that link to use, and then you're going to click on Done. And that's how you create the public link. That's all it takes to generate it. So importing videos from YouTube into Studio automatically takes care of the ads that interrupt the video. It also keeps the students in Canvas instead of opening a new tab and leaving the LMS. However, if the link is on the Bitmoji Classroom, then the video will open in a new tab. So I have a GIF here, or GIF, however you want to say it, showing how each time you click on one of the boxes, it opens up in a new tab. You do get new tabs if you're using the Bitmoji Classroom. However, if you are using it within Canvas, it just stays right there in Canvas. Now, you only have access to YouTube or Vimeo as long as they're actually available. So if you get a video in your studio library that looks like this, it is no longer available on YouTube. So this music show episode, that is The Beat is the Heart of Music, is no longer available. So you might want to do occasional checks on the videos that you have if you have them aligned to your Bitmoji classrooms. Just check to make sure that they are still available. As far as the public links of video content that you create, these links are not reused, regenerated. So I think Canvas Studio is a really great way of making sure that you know what content you have available for your students. Just to sum up, public links can be used for Bitmoji classrooms, sharing for substitute plans, sharing outside GISD with parents, with colleagues, with professors, and giving instructions so that you don't have to repeat yourself over and over again. I hope that you found some way that this could be useful for your classroom. So, public links with Studio. Try it. It will work well for you, I think. If you have any questions, my name is Meredith Grotti, mlgrotti at garlandisd.net, at Darty Music Rocks, at DGHTY Music Rocks on Twitter or X. Thank you very much for watching.